Hi, I'm Marna. My husband and I are active cyclists. In 2019, we had over 2,200 miles on our bicycles. I love bicycle decor. It's all through my house and out in our front yard. And I'm also a doll collector. So anytime I can find a doll on a bike, since I'm a doll collector, I am all in. I found this cute little doll at the farm store. If you have an Orslins near you, you might check there. It's called EVI Love. I'm looking to see who makes it. Simba. It's made by Simba. I'm not going to open the box. I just wanted to show you. She's about the size. She's a little bit bigger than the Barbie Kelly doll. Not a lot, but not as big as the Chelsea doll, which is cute. But look at this. It comes with the bike. The bike has a basket. She has the cutest little shoes on that are attached to the pedal, and it looks like the pedals move, I'm pretty sure. It's got the helmet and even a little cardboard doll. Here's the best part. You know me in a bargain. This is what I did not pay. The dolls were an additional, well, gosh, was it? Had to be more than, it said 10% off all toys. But when I got there, it came out to like $2.57. So they took, I don't know, it must have been about 20% off. Should I have bought more? Gosh, wish I could have. I thought it was really cute. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy our videos. Please leave a like and subscribe.